If you just bought a blazing fast new SSD, the last thing you want to do is waste an entire day reinstalling Windows and apps. But if you look up how to clone your drive safely, you are immediately hit with a wall of paid software, subscription traps, or outdated tools that look like they were built for Windows 95. Don't pull out your wallet just yet. Today, I am showing you the absolute best free software tools to perfectly clone your entire operating system, apps, and data to your new drive without spending a single dime. Let's get into it. Before we download any third-party tools, we need to check if you already have a premium license sitting in your closet. Check your box. Partner with paid cloning software companies to give you their software completely free if you own one of their drives. For example, Crucial, Western Digital, and SanDisk users get a special, completely free version of Acronis True Image. Samsung users get access to Samsung Data Migration, which is arguably the easiest cloning tool on the market. If you qualify, download these first. If you don't, or if you are using a budget drive, don't worry. Our next tools work on absolutely anything. If you ask tech-savvy forums for a free cloning tool, they will immediately tell you to use Clonezilla. And they aren't wrong. It is incredibly powerful, open source, and highly reliable. But let's be honest, it looks terrifying. One wrong keystroke and you accidentally wipe your primary drive. That is why you should use its modern cousin. It is completely free, open source, and uses a beautiful, easy-to-navigate graphical desktop environment. To use it, you just flash Rescuezilla onto a USB thumb drive. Using a free tool like Rufus, reboot your computer into the USB, and follow the simple step-by-step clone wizard. Because it runs outside of Windows, Windows cannot block files or cause errors while copying. It is an exact, sector-by-sector mirror image. Now, what if you don't want to mess around with USB drives? Meet Hasleo Disk Clone. It is 100% free. Disk Clone or System Clone, pick your old source drive, select your new target SSD, and hit Next. It automatically adjusts partition sizes if your new drive is larger or smaller than your old one. It even handles bit-for-bit alignment for SSD optimization. Before you press that final proceed button on any of these apps, you must follow 3 golden rules to prevent data loss. Triple check source versus target. The source is your old drive with your data. The target or destination is your new blank drive. If you flip these, you will permanently overwrite your data with a blank drive. Backup crucial files. Cloning is generally safe, but power outages or hardware glitches can happen. Put your absolute most important photos or documents on a cloud drive or external thumb drive first. Disconnect the old drive first. Once the clone is finished, shut down your PC and unplug your old drive before booting up for the first time. This forces Windows to recognize the new drive as the primary C drive and prevents drive letter conflicts. All the links to the official, safe download pages for Rescuezilla, Hasleo, and the manufacturer tools are down in the video description below. If this video saved you from buying a paid software subscription, drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let me know in the comments which software worked best for your setup. See you in the next one.